make new friends and play with new toys. You'll read new books and swing on new swings. Besides, she added, I know a wonderful secret that will make your nights at school seem warm and cozy as your days at home. Raccoons go to school at night because they sleep during the day. Chester wiped away his tears and looked interested. A secret? What kind of secret?
Good morning, staff and students.
Wow,
These are your announcements for Monday, August 2nd, 2010. Well, first, welcome back D-Track students. It's good to see you back at North Park this school year. Next announcement is we have a skate party at Stardust next Wednesday, August